let's let's just go through like organic reagents and what they do. Yeah, it's a quick summary. For example, this is zinc amalgam conc HCl. With that, we do something called Clemmensen reduction, in which we convert aldehydes, carbonyl compounds, into alkanes. And this is the other confusing one which we can easily confuse, which is dilute Hg2 plus dil H2SO4 60 Celsius, in which we use it to convert alkynes into aldehydes and ketones. This is a dehydrating agent. Basically, these are what dehydrating agents do. We have discussed what dehydrating agents are. For this, I have taken 170 degrees Celsius concentrated H2SO4 as an example. We can also use other dehydrating agents like P2O4 delta or Al2O3 delta or dil H2SO4 delta, and etc. If we can use dehydrating agents to dehydrate, like how we can dehydrate alcohol into alkenes, vicinal diols into alkynes, or amides into cyanides. See, the water gets dehydrated. We can use reducing agents like one lithium aluminium hydride, dry ether, and plus hydrolyzing, and or like sodium borohydride, methanol, and we can hydrolyze with H plus H2O, and these are the reactions we can use. We can these are the reduction reactions which we can do. We can reduce aldehydes and ketones, carbonyl compounds, into alcohols. We can reduce carboxylic acids into alcohols. These reactions we can't do with sodium borohydride, methanol. We can only use lithium aluminium hydride dry ether for this. We can reduce esters into two alcohols. We can reduce amides into amines, and we can react cyanides into amines as well. Now, what if we were to add acidic solution into? We can use acidic solution is also a nice reagent. We can convert cyanides into carboxylic acids while evolving ammonia. We can turn acid halides into carboxylic acids. We can reversibly dissociate esters, but to the forward direction, into carboxylic acids and alcohols. If we were to add amides, we can convert amides into carboxylic acids while evolving ammonia. We can react, or we can even convert like Grignard reagents or into hydrogen. Yeah, nitrides. Now we have oxidizing agents as well. Using oxidizing agents like H plus MnO4 minus, like acidic permanganate, we can reduce this part of the alkene into ketones. We can, if we have a side of alkene like this, we can reduce it into carboxylic acids. Or if we have a alkyne side like this, we can reduce it into a carboxylic acid as well. If we have alkene or alkyne sites like this, it will oxidize into carboxylic acid and water. No it's no buts. These are the oxidizing reactions that are made possible. Or there are actually other oxidizing reactions as well. We can oxidize primary alcohols into carboxylic acids with H plus MnO4 minus, or H plus Cr2O7 2 minus. We can turn secondary alcohols into ketones. We can turn aldehydes into carboxylic acids even, or we can convert primary or secondary alkyl benzenes into benzoic acids. Yeah, these are the oxidation reactions which we can do with typical oxidizing agents, like strong oxidizing agents in particular. What if we were to take another reagent we can use is nitrous acid, in which we can produce by reacting NaNO2 with HCl. What happens is we can use it to convert amines into alcohols while evolving nitrogen, or if we have like aniline or aniline salts above 10 degrees Celsius, it will convert into the phenol while evolving nitrogen, while under 10 Celsius it will form the diazonium salt. If we were to add NaCN HCl, virtually HCN into aldehydes or ketones, we will be able to obtain the cyanohydrin. Pyridinium chlorochromate is a weak oxidizing agent, and we can use it to convert primary alcohols into aldehydes or into aldehydes. Concentrated H2SO4 and slash H2O, basically dilute H2SO4, is a hydrating agent, and we can use it to hydrate alkenes into alcohols. Actually, we can even use it to hydrate alkynes into geminal diols, which will eventually convert back into, we have discussed that earlier. Or we can use catalytic hydrogenation, in which we can catalytically hydrogenate alkyl nitrates into alkyl amines, or basically amines. We can also use it to convert alkenes into uh, alkanes, or alkynes into alkanes, and so on. And I think we all remember about Lindler's reagents, so I didn't include that. And these are the organic reagents. This is a comprehensive list of organic reagents.